If the unthinkable happens, it is the people closest to you that are going to save your life. The people you work with, the people you commute with, the people that you live with. In the past, they called 911 and they waited anxiously by your side for the ambulance to arrive. But if no one at the scene has the knowledge or equipment to make a difference, some accidents could become fatal before the ambulance gets there. As an emergency physician, I know that danger waits in the most unexpected places. Severe bleeding can be fatal in 3 to 5 minutes. Airway complications can lead to hypoxic brain death in as little as 6 minutes. Someone at the scene absolutely has to know what to do to prevent the most serious outcomes. That's why we dared to imagine a world in which bystanders can do more than just wait for a professional rescuer to come along. We developed the Mobilize Rescue System so that your family members, your coworkers, or even perfect strangers can access medical expertise at the push of a button. The unit includes medical supplies, logically organized to help anyone assess and manage over 80 of the most common injuries and illnesses. Because when seconds count, there is zero time for hesitation. We can help you be courageous. We can help you mobilize.
Bystanders save lives.